So guys, to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all restart your device. So after restarting your device and it's still not working perfectly for you, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu. So when you get to your phone menu, what you have to do is to just try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, tap on network and internet. So when you tap on network and internet, tap on mobile network. Then after that, select the network type. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on advanced when you scroll down, and you have to scroll a little bit and tap on preferred network type, then select 4G slash 3G slash 2G or 2 over here. So after selecting this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone settings again. Then after that, scroll a little bit and try to tap on app and notifications. So when you tap on the app and notifications, just tap on the see all apps, and after that, what you have to do next is to tap on the search apps over here and search for HMRC. Then after that, tap on the app when it appears over here. So after doing this, tap on the first stop, then tap on OK. Then after that, tap on permission and make sure you allow the camera and also the storage permission over here. Now go back and tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is also turned on. Go back and tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache to clear the cache and go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store to check for the update. When you see update over here, just tap on it to get the latest updates, and after that, your HMRC is going to get installed, it's going to get reinstalled, and you're going to get the latest update of it. So after doing this, tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this.